that a bug? I don't know what it is.
Now it's
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on here because of personal reasons. If you saw my last video, you know that my grandma was in the hospital. Yeah, she passed away, so like between schoolwork, family things, life has been hard, but I'm back. So today I'm doing a seafood mukbang. Introduce yourself.
Hey y'all, I'm Raven.
I hope you can hear. I hope they can hear through the mask, because if not, I have to do like subtitles. But right now we're on our way to get the seafood. Yeah, see you in a minute.
So we kind of got lost. I don't know where we're going.
So we're like somewhere.
I don't know.
I look mad oily. My sister gave me a braid out, guys. Oh, is that pollen? Yo, I have allergies. Oh my god. So we're back. We're splitting this because that's a lot of seafood, and the price of that seafood when you're not rich. What the heck is this?
Get into it. It's a bit. Oh. No, you break it. Oh,
What? Why is it broken like this?
like that. I think.
Put it on here. We have Bev's water. We're drinking water. I've never eaten on camera like this. Papa.
It's hot.
Yeah. Oh, it's not like. Yes, it's gonna hit the back of your throat.
Let's see if you just dried it.
I mean, I don't. Not that I don't like spicy food, but. Yeah, exactly. This hot. This is not the medium that we ordered, but it's fine though.
It's settling in. Okay, next caller.
Okay, next caller. How's your quarantine going? Should I take? I'm taking
Very
a call.
boring. As you should. Very boring. Bored in the house, and I was bored. What's that? This is a snow crab.
Dang, do you see all that sauce at the bottom?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I've been sleeping, and I started Riverdale.
Started.
Yeah.
Where have you been?
I was trying not to be a follower, but it's whatever. Good show. That's about it.
I just want a potato.
Yeah. Online classes, not the way. It's whatever. I didn't do too bad, but I don't like it. Yeah.
I would never like. I'm taking summer classes, but I would never take my core classes online ever again if it's not mandatory. Cause that was like that was the worst.
Like, I mean, yeah.
Bro, if people if you haven't gained the skill over quarantine, you're doing something wrong. If you haven't learned something or improved on something, what are you doing?
Literally, you could prove on anything. Eating.
Get that diet going. I've been painting.
Oh, I'm about to order something. What happened? I'm about to order some watercolor paper.
Oh, this is spicy.
Yeah, my nose is dripping a little.
My nose is dripping. This is more than medium. My friend is a junior at Howard, and we graduated in 2019. You do the math.
Thanks.
You do the math.
It's a vibe. It's lit.
I was supposed to go to their homecoming, but I was like, let me go to my own. See what that's about. The worst thing ever. So, I'm gonna go to Howard's every chance I get.
Every year, you know, go around. A lot of things to do.
Bro, we have
Cool.
Waka Flocka. What the heck? What's that? 2008? Like, no. Who did you have?
The Baby. Wrote to Me.
Which one is that?
Chinese Kitty. I think that was who that was.
But yeah.
I'm gonna come visit Temple next year for the culture.
No, I'm visiting Howard for the culture. You're visiting Temple just to visit. No culture. Actually, there's a very nice black community. You just have to find them. Like, I made friends the day we were leaving. The day before we had to leave for quarantine and all that.
I know how to cook basic stuff, but I'm learning how to cook the real stuff now. I made some chicken the other day.
Don't look at me, I'm not cooking nothing.
I did it. I made some chicken. And nobody died.
And nobody died.
So obviously I'm a chef.
I wouldn't say all that. Do you need more corns?
Yeah.
Did you have two?
I have one.
And there's only one left?
There's two left, I think. There's two, yeah.
So do you have a boyfriend?
Damn. No. I have a friend.
You what?
No. Not at all.
You have a what?
A friend. Look at my friend. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Or how many is the question?
I think I have to cut that.
Mm-mm.
I don't have anyone, anything.
2, 3, 4?
I don't have anything.
Okay. Sure. Ryan, he's tall, he's not ugly. His body is nice.
Oh, nah, cut.
He paid for me when we went out.
Oh, as he should.
Do you see that? Look at my dimple. You see it? See it? You see it? You see? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Woo! You love to see it.
I will eat that.
No. Craziest thing was when they were shooting while I was walking.
Oh, yeah. No. Miss me with it. Literally.
Yeah, they're always bugging out over there. But I mean, you do what you gotta do for Chick-fil-A, right?
One of the first parties we went to, some guy passed out in the party when we were on the line. They dragged him out. I might have to put the clip in here. And he was laid out on the floor like, ow! Ooh, what is behind me? Okay, that just blew mine. Only part about this that's not spicy is this corn.
It's in my throat, bro.
Yo, one time we had this fire alarm go off. It was like 3 a.m., right? So we all go outside. Mad people out there with no shoes, no socks. Like, bro, the dirtiest thing.
What are they?
Yeah, no.
Makes sense.
I'm like, I understand it's a fire
can't
drill,
just
but you
slip
couldn't
something
put your
on.
like, I'm not gonna lie, we should have known. The bottom of the bag is red. I don't even know if I said that. The bottom of the bag is red. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I told you it was gonna hit my throat.
I hope you enjoyed the mukbang with my good sis. See you guys the next video. I can't touch my phone because remember when that was a thing?
Yeah.
Well, that's all. Bye. Help me.
Move.
Help me.